Welcome everyone to Array Basic Part 1. Here we will learn the basic concept of array in this video. As you can see, it's written that array are resizable and can contain a mix of different data type. Let's see this with an example. Let us create a brand new array and understand it line by line. I have created an array named AR. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to add elements in this brand new array with a set of mixed data type. As you see, I wrote John as our first element. It's of type string. Next is 44, it's of type number. Next is 8.8, it's also of type number. Next we will create a set of object inside of this array, with a field and a value inside of it. As you can see, we created two properties, first is fname and second one is lname. First name we wrote John, and last name property is set to Holland. Okay, we created a set of object inside of an array. Now let's try creating some other value. Next we will give a boolean value inside of this array. Remember, truthy value or falsy value represents a boolean value. Okay, we are done with mix array. Now let's create a new array and try resizing it. Let's first remove this array and try it with new one. Let's make a new array and try resizing it. We are creating a new array and directly setting its length property. We are creating a new array named residential array. Using new array syntax, we are creating a new array and setting its length to 3. We can check it by console logging it on screen. Okay, before that we are going to add some elements in our array to increase its length, and after that we will try resizing it. We pushed 3 elements in it: apple, kiwi and grapes. Now let's check our length property. You can do it by using residentialArray.length method. As you can see, we got length as 8. We are now setting the new length as 5. Let's see if this works or not. Yes, it works. We are able to resize our array. Follow for more.